I don't know what it is, but we all be having the same ideas at the same time. Y'all, the same ideas at the same time. But I brought this from, I think it was wish.com. And it is a cleaner. You clean your, it's supposed to be for your fish tank. But I don't have a fish tank. And I was like thinking, oh, you could do this for a window. I'm going to try this. Right? But I never did try it. But then I saw somebody online who has another one. I think it was bigger. It could have been 4 windows. But this was for a fish tank. So, but I'm going to see if this one works. Okay. So I'm going to put one on this side. Like that. I'm going to put one on this side. Like so. Okay. So. Here we are. Oh, man, I think I put it wrong. Okay. All right, so we got a little dirt up here. Okay. Oh, that dirt is on the outside, but the glass is getting clean. Let's see, can we see some spots? Oh, I'm tired already. Uh-oh. Oh, it came loose. Let me grab it back. Oh, look. Oh, Lord. Okay, hold on. It did fall, but it is getting some dirt off the windows, y'all. So it does work. Okay, let's grab this again. And okay. So yes, it does work. But I'm using, you know what? Clorox wipes, but I should be using the Windex wipes. That's because it's smudging. That side is not that dirty. This is smudging with the Clorox wipes. Goodness. Okay. But at least we know the magnet part works. That's what I was trying to try and see if the magnet part actually works. And it does. It does. Oh, crap. Gotta go slow with it, though. Let me see. Can I grab this again? Come on, magnet. Well, anyway. You can see the dirt. That's on the window. Let me see. Uh-oh. Yeah, you can. Yeah. But yeah, that was my idea with the magnet. Okay, so now I have the vinegar. I have the vinegar in the spray bottle. Ooh, where did it take it? Oh my goodness. Okay. We have paper towels this time. I sprayed it with vinegar and now I'm going to go with the paper towels. And now, man, it's gonna be too thick. Go slow. Ugh. Annoying. Okay. Crap. Okay, so this is a fish tank cleaner with a magnet. All right. And I'm gonna see if it cleans the windows. Got some Clorox wipes. So after I seen this person's video, I realized, man, I still got my magnet. Let me go try my magnet. Because I bought it, like I said, a long time ago. I just never did use it. I just put it up. And it's so much junk in my house. I said, I'm going to stop buying junk. But I always buy stuff. It get old or whatever. But anyway, like I said, I've had this one for some time. It really didn't work with a thick sheet. But the thin sheets work pretty good. So just get the Windex, the thin sheets, and it should work pretty good.